coming soon page can be super helpful in building excitement before your website launch, as it lets you collect your emails early, it gives you a professional online presence while your site is under maintenance, and it gives you a place to redirect traffic until your website is fully ready. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to set up a coming soon page on your Squarespace website. First, you should determine the goal of your coming soon page. Is it purely to inform people and build buzz? Do you want to collect emails and get people to sign up to your newsletter? Or do you want people to have an option to reach out through your contact form? For the purpose of this demonstration, I'm going to build a page with a contact form, and we're going to set it up so that it's the only visible page on your site. This way, you're still able to work on your website pages without the disruption, while from your visitors' standpoint, they will only be able to see the coming soon page. Under your website pages, you'll be able to see all of the pages on your site. You'll see here I already have a few set up, and I also have my coming soon page. To add a new page, you simply need to click the plus icon here and add a blank page. I named it coming soon so we know which one we're talking about. And then if you go to edit, you'll see I already added an image block. You'll find all the blocks available here. And then we'll say something new is coming, or whatever your text may be that conveys that the site is coming soon or that it's under construction. I will also go ahead and add our form block so that you can still get inquiries even though your site is not yet ready. And I'll add another section just to show our Instagram and where people can follow our journey in the meantime. Once we're happy with how our page is set up, we're going to save and then quickly go check out mobile view and make any changes needed here as well. Looks perfect. Okay. Now that we have our page ready, the first thing we're gonna do is change it to the home page. So if you go under settings and if you scroll down under general, you will find set as homepage. Now that means that whenever people click on your link, they will automatically be directed to this page. Now that we have our homepage, we don't want people to be clicking in and out and through other pages since we're still working on them. So we will go back to the settings of our coming soon page and find navigation and hide header and footer of your site. So now whenever people click on your URL, your link, they will only see this page right here as your coming soon page, and they can still reach out through the contact form or follow along your socials. Once you're done editing your site, you just need to change your homepage again to your actual homepage. So whatever page you're using, go to the settings, general, set as homepage, and you can either delete this one or just hide it and make it unavailable. I hope you found it helpful and that you're able to create a gorgeous coming soon page on your website. If you have any questions, let me know below in the comments. And if you want to learn more about Squarespace, I have a bunch of tutorials on my page.